Myntri ki pynroi Bording Elektrik T Mondal, Ban Banteidor Lyngdoh MLA Mawkynrew konstituwensi, ryngkat ki ophisar ke tnat Bording ki hiar shikani ke jaka ban jurip peit sani bhai ke sub-starion kabadan Umtong. Da ke jingthmu ban pynheh bat kyntiew kini ke sub-starion, jaka 33 kilovolt power station, khnang ban Weng Noh ki Jingeh Shillong ki badan Mawkynrew konstituwensi, ki balamat kaka ke Bording Elektrik ki Aiom Lyiur. Da kini ke jingthmu ban pynheh kini ke sub-starion, ki jingnam ki Paidbah kini ke than kin sa urlong Shen. Ki jingtray na ke benta kini ke jingthmu ki layat shaprang, bat dangsa sekendiat kensot ki jing penjana jaka. Ha kini ke jurip ladon lang BDO ke Mawkynrew C&RD Block, uba G Dhar, MCS ki ophisar ke tnat MECL, ki nongilam Shillong lembat kiwe kiri orang ba. T Mondal ulong begini ke sub-starion kan terekam no kloi kat bala bat ke jingtray ke sa satang kendiat. Uba Ban Banteidor ula penpau ke jing sengongu yu Myntri pynroi Bording Elektrik, uba lashim kia ban penkloi ya ke jing pentray ya kini ke sub-starion. Ula penpau ru ke jing sengongu igi borshnong na kini ke than, ki bala ya teray lang bat unong mikmat Paidbah jongki. Mondal uba peit ru ke tnat Community and Rural Development, ula lit peit ya ke ying office BDO badang shna thamai ha Mawkynrew.
Hello, Paul. How are you? Hello, Paul. How are you? No. Hello. I have. Everything okay? Any problem you are facing other than the building? One way it is in better position because by this side. Yeah, troubleshooting there. Come to visit this substation. Rather, I am visiting almost all the substations which are being constructed in the country. So we will see that this substation is operational as early as possible. Work is almost completed. We need only final touches and the line to be through. So I am thankful to our colleague in assembly, Paidbah. He was telling me from first day onwards that why not we not visit. So we make this program. Of course, we have set one day earlier, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, we have to cancel it. So today, though weather is very inclement, but we thought that we should go and visit the site, and we are here today. I'm very happy. I'm thankful to the local Darbars, the Rongbashanong, the Darbashanong, the headman, and everybody is showing keen interest. And moreover, the finest thing is that they are guarding this substation. We have little problem regarding manpowers. We have moved to finance department. Hope this problem will be soon, and this substation will greatly help the people of Mawkynrew constituency and neighboring areas. We hope to operate this one as early as possible. Thank you.